Vectors and forces. When forces of 15 pounds and 22 pounds create an angle between them of 100 degrees, what is the magnitude of the resultant force? I'm going to label my forces that I have here. The smaller one is 15, the larger one is 22 pounds. The angle between these is 100. Now the resultant is the line that's created from pulling in both of these directions. But a good way to first look at this is you want to turn this into a parallelogram. And so actually I want to use those same lines. So I'm going to clone those lines so I know they're the same. And clone this one. And so our resultant is the diagonal between those. Now, a few things here. This is a parallelogram, so we know this angle is 100. And that means that this angle is 100, which means that these each have to be 80. And that's actually the angle that's a little bit more important. And because this side is 22, this side is 22. What I'm looking for is the resultant x here. And so if you kind of look at this a little bit differently, what we actually just did is now we have something like this, 15, 22, 80, and x, where we have a side angle side, and we're looking for a third side. This is a law of cosine problem. And so now we just need to do out the math for law of cosine. And that's the side we're missing squared equal to our other side squared, the sum of the other two sides squared, minus 2 times those sides, cosine the angle in between them. And so let's see, 15 squared and 22 squared. We got 225 and 484. So that's 225 plus 484. And here we have negative 2 times 15 times 22 times cosine 80 is negative 114.607. But I'm going to use the exact answer in my calculator from there and just add 484 and add 225 to give me a total answer of 594.392. 594.392, but that's equal to x squared, so we got to do square root, and that will give us side x. Second square root of our answer is 24.38, and let's just round to the nearest whole number to make it easy, is 24. So when two forces, one of 15 pounds and one of 22 pounds, they create a resultant force of 24 pounds.